Hi, I'm Adam, the garage worker, and today we're going to turn these pallets
into this bed head with LEDs and built-in side table nooks.
So the first thing we're going to do is pull all the pallets apart and remove all the nails. Now the pallets are pulled apart, the next thing I need to do is rip them on the table saw to remove the rough edge and also cut them down to their final width. After I've done that, I'll then rip them down the middle in half to then get two pieces. Okay, so now that I've got all the pallet pieces cut to thickness and width, I now need to cut the MDF to its final diameter, and then I've also got to cut out the middle section that'll be hidden behind the bed. We're not actually going to fill that part in. So this is my SketchUp file, and you'll see what I'm doing is having the headboard go across the top and then down to the floor on each side. And then I'm going to build a little shelf on each side, like side tables. So now that the MDF is cut to its final shape and size, the next thing I'm going to do is put the frame on, and then I'm just going to cut these lengths to just random lengths and stick them along, and then just measure the last one, cut it to length and attach it, fill in the entire frame. pieces milled to size for the shelves on each side. I just made a quick dowel jig on the drill press, and I'm just going to drill all the holes for the dowels and attach them all together with the bars. Okay, so now I've got the 4 frames built for the side tables. I'm going to sand one side flush and then use dowels to attach 2 together to make a completed side table. I ripped a 2x4 in half and then cut it in half as well and attached it to the back for a bit of sturdiness. Also put it on there so I had somewhere to attach the LEDs. Now to attach the LEDs, I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue as well as the 3M strip that's on the back just to help hold it in place. And I'm going to follow it around the outside of this frame that I've put in place. Now moved inside to do some soldering. I bought this kit online for a clapper. So I need to solder the kit up and then I'll be able to turn on the LEDs on the headboard by clapping. Okay, now the two side tables are dry, the next thing to do is sand them completely smooth, and then I'm also going to plane the edges. I forgot to record a segment about what I'm doing here, but what I'm doing is ripping a piece of the timber the same as the frame on the bed head, and I'm going to make a frame on the front of the side table nooks, and then I'm going to put a V-bit in my router table and route a groove along the joint, sort of give it that illusion that both pieces have been chamfered before gluing it all up. headboard a final sand, and now we're going to finish it with this liming solution. So it says on the instructions to brush it on and then wipe off the excess within 1 to 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do is start at one end, by the time I get to the other end, start wiping it off, and that should probably be about 1 minute to 2 minutes before wiping it off. So that concludes the Bedhead build. I also made a quick frame to replace the store-bought one that we had up there, just so it all matches. If you liked my video, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button. You can also follow me on social media, and I'll have the links down in the description below. I'm also launching a new website, and I'll have plans for the Bedhead on there for free. Keep in mind though that this is a super king, so it's a very large bed, and you may need to adjust the plans to your size.